ବାଲେଶ୍ୱର ସହରର ଫକୀରମୋହନ ନଗର ସ୍ଥିତ ବ୍ରାଇଟ୍ ହରାଇଜନ୍ ସ୍କୁଲର ବାର୍ଷିକ ଉତ୍ସବ ପାଳିତ।
ବାଲେଶ୍ୱର ଷ୍ଟେସନ ଛକରେ ଖୋଲିଛି 1 ଓ 2 ଗ୍ରାମ ଗୋଲ୍ଡ ଫର୍ମିଂ ଜୁଏଲାରୀ ଶୋରୁମ୍। ଆଜି ହିଁ ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ବାଛି ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ମନପସନ୍ଦର ଗହଣା। SJ ଜୁଏଲ୍ସ, ସମାଜ ଅଫିସ ତଳ ମହଲା, ଷ୍ଟେସନ ଛକ, ବାଲେଶ୍ୱର।
ବାଲେଶ୍ୱର ସହରର ଫକୀରମୋହନ ନଗର ସ୍ଥିତ ବ୍ରାଇଟ୍ ହରାଇଜନ୍ ସ୍କୁଲର ବାର୍ଷିକ ଉତ୍ସବ ମେଣ୍ଢାସୁଲ ସ୍ଥିତ ଆୟର୍ତି ଗାର୍ଡେନ ମଣ୍ଡପ ପରିସରରେ ପାଳିତ ହୋଇଯାଇଛି। ବାଲେଶ୍ୱର ଜିଲ୍ଲା ଅତିରିକ୍ତ ଆରକ୍ଷୀ ଅଧୀକ୍ଷକ ନିରଞ୍ଜନ ବେହେରା ଏଥିରେ ମୁଖ୍ୟ ଅତିଥି ଭାବେ ଯୋଗଦେଇ ଉତ୍ସବକୁ ଆନୁଷ୍ଠାନିକ ଉଦ୍ଘାଟନ କରିଥିଲେ। ସଫଳ ଭବିଷ୍ୟତ ଗଠନର ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ ସାଧନରେ ଶୈଶବରୁ ହିଁ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀଙ୍କ ଅନ୍ତର୍ନିହିତ ଗୁଣର ବିକାଶ ପାଇଁ ଉଭୟ ଶିକ୍ଷକ ଓ ଅଭିଭାବକଙ୍କ ଗୁରୁ ଦାୟିତ୍ୱ ରହିଛି ବୋଲି ଶ୍ରୀ ବେହେରା କହିଥିଲେ।
Came to know from the annual report of Principal Madam that this school is rapidly increasing day by day. The guardians of the locality of Baleshwar district, they have preferred this school as a very good ideal school who can make their students enriched in their knowledge, in their learning, as well as in all their activities. So you must be known that education is nothing but learning. Learning is not in the sense of academic field, but also other activities like sports, culture, drawing, dance, other extracurricular activities. So when we send a student to the school, we should not think that our people is not going to the school only to gain knowledge regarding their academic career, academic field. Rather, he should be a all-rounder in all the activities like drama, dance, sports, drawing, etc.
ଭଦ୍ରକ GST ବିଭାଗ ଆସିଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ କମିଶନର ଦେବବ୍ରତ ମହାରଣା ଏଥିରେ ମୁଖ୍ୟ ବକ୍ତା ଭାବେ ଯୋଗଦେଇ ବକ୍ତବ୍ୟ ପ୍ରଦାନ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ କୁନି କୁନି ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀଙ୍କ ଓ ଅଭିଭାବକଙ୍କୁ ଉପାଦେୟ ପରାମର୍ଶ ଦେଇଥିଲେ।
Teaching profession is not easy. It is one of the hardest profession what I feel. And to teach or to make learn these small children is another very difficult task. Parents send their children to the school to learn something, but the teachers here only face a lot of difficulty in guiding them, in making them learn. Children come with very scanty knowledge, we can tell, but here they start learning languages, mathematics, other subjects, including knowledge, understanding, application and skill. The teachers make the children learn all these things, and it is very difficult, very difficult for the part of the teachers to make them learn, and to the age group of 2 to 6. So thank you to all madam and the members present here and who are running this school. I will tell that during small interaction with the teachers present here, I could find that maximum all trained. I hope madam all are trained, no? So you are all fortunate to have trained teacher.
ଅବସରପ୍ରାପ୍ତ ଅଧ୍ୟାପକ ରାଧାକାନ୍ତ ନାୟକ ଏଥିରେ ସମ୍ମାନିତ ଅତିଥି ଭାବେ ଯୋଗଦେଇ କମଳମତି ଶିଶୁଙ୍କ ଉତ୍ତମ ଭବିଷ୍ୟତ ନିର୍ମାଣର ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଦିଗ ଉପରେ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିଥିଲେ।
That these students are going to be the prime members of our global society in future days. We are living in a globalized world. We all are living in a globalized world. The whole world is one family now. The whole world is one society now. Political divisions among the states has decreased. And in this society, the importance of English language has increased. Because English is the only language which can unite the whole humanity. And in the international, at the international level, we find that English language brings many opportunities for the youngsters. Many of our Indian students who have completed their education in India, they have gone to many European countries, to other Western countries. They have got excellent jobs with a very high package of salary, and that has been possible because of their skill in English language. So keep this in our mind that in the future days also, English language must be bringing many excellent rewards for those who have chosen to get their child educated in English medium schools.
ସ୍କୁଲର ଅଧ୍ୟକ୍ଷା ସସ୍ମିତା ଲେଙ୍କା ଏଥିରେ ପୌରୋହିତ୍ୟ କରିବା ସହିତ ବାର୍ଷିକ ବିବରଣୀ ଉପସ୍ଥାପନ କରିଥିଲେ।
To welcome all the parents, all the teachers and all the guests here, celebrating 2 glorious years of Bright Horizons School, and it is our first annual celebration from our very first child to hundreds of smiling faces today. This journey has been nothing short of an magical. Thank you to all our parents, teachers and little staff for making this milestone so special. Here is to many more years of learning, laughter and love. Today is a special day for our school as we come together to celebrate the achievements, growth and joyful moments of the past academic year. When we started this preschool, we had one simple dream. Yes, when we started before 2 years, we had only one simple dream: to create a place where children will feel safe, feel affectionate and feel loved and happy, excited and learning methods. Seeing this confident face today, they are ready. Yes, they are really ready to face anything and see their face. All are happy to perform on the stage. Tells me that our dream is becoming a beautiful reality and we are in the right path.
ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟର ପ୍ରତିଷ୍ଠାତା ତଥା ପରିଚାଳନା ସମିତି ଚେୟାରମ୍ୟାନ୍ ରବୀନ୍ଦ୍ର ଦ୍ୱାରୀ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମରେ ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ରହି ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟରେ ଶିକ୍ଷାଦାନର ଧାରାରେ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀଙ୍କ ଅନ୍ତର୍ନିହିତ ଗୁଣାବଳୀ ବିକାଶ ପାଇଁ ନିରନ୍ତର ଉଦ୍ୟମ ଉପରେ ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱ ଆରୋପ କରିଥିଲେ।
When we started our school 2 years back, we had a very good vision that will give a good education and will build our future by our kids. And I believe today by seeing them on the stage and bright smiling faces, I think we are in the right path. By the special thanks to our parents who are supporting cooperation always.
ଏହି ଅବସରରେ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଆୟୋଜିତ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରତିଯୋଗିତାର କୃତି ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀଙ୍କୁ ଅତିଥିମାନେ ପୁରସ୍କୃତ କରିଥିଲେ। ଭାସ୍ୱତୀ ମିଶ୍ର ଏଥିରେ ମଞ୍ଚ ପରିଚାଳନା କରିଥିବା ବେଳେ ଶିକ୍ଷୟିତ୍ରୀ ଶୁଭ୍ରଜ୍ୟୋତି ମହାନ୍ତି ଅତିଥିଙ୍କ ପରିଚୟ ପ୍ରଦାନ ସହ ଶେଷରେ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଦେଇଥିଲେ। ସଭା ପରେ ସ୍କୁଲର ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀମାନେ ଆକର୍ଷଣୀୟ ସାଂସ୍କୃତିକ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମ ପରିବେଷଣ କରିଥିଲେ। ମୀନାକ୍ଷୀ ମିଶ୍ର, ଅଙ୍କିତା ସାହୁ, ଚିନ୍ମୟୀ ମିଶ୍ର, ସେଲିସା ସାହୁ, ଲପାମୁଦ୍ରା ଦାସ, ରାଜେଶ୍ୱରୀ ବାରିକ, ମଧୁସ୍ମିତା ପାଢ଼ୀ ପ୍ରମୁଖ ଶିକ୍ଷୟିତ୍ରୀଙ୍କ ସମେତ କର୍ମଚାରୀ ସବିତା ସେଠୀ ଓ ହେମଲତା ପରିଜା ଉତ୍ସବ ପରିଚାଳନାରେ ସକ୍ରିୟ ସହଯୋଗ କରିଥିଲେ।
सेंट कॉलेज ऑफ नर्सिंग एंड पैरामेडिकल्स रे एडमिशन चली बीएससी नर्सिंग जीएनएम कोर्स पई जोगाजोग करंतु। सेंट कॉलेज ऑफ नर्सिंग एंड पैरामेडिकल्स, मिशन कंपाउंड, बालेश्वर।
मां लक्ष्मी ज्वेलर्स, विवेकानंद मार्ग, चिड़िया पोलो, बालेश्वर। Welcome to Pratiksha Fertility and IVF Clinic, Baleshwar. With state-of-the-art facilities and cutting-edge equipment, we provide the highest standard of fertility care. Pratiksha Fertility and IVF Clinic, Baleshwar.
पाइप किनिबा पूर्वरु पाइप रो पारिबा पणिया उपरे प्रत्येक प्रश्नर उत्तर आमे दबु। पानी रो प्रखर जेते तीव्र हो अबा पानी रो शिखर जेते उच्च हो, एमके प्लास्ट कंपनी रे निर्मित एमकेपी ब्रांड रो सुदृढ़ एवं दीर्घस्थायी पीवीसी एंड एचडीपीई पाइप्स सर्वदा नंबर 1। सर्वनिम्न मूल्य रे सर्वोत्तम पाइप किनिबा पई जोगाजोग करंतु। एमके प्लास्ट प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, रामदासपुर इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेट, गोड़ीसाही, कटक डिस्ट्रिक्ट। पिन 754006। कॉल करंतु 8637278439 किंबा ईमेल करंतु admin@mkplast.in।